Hello everyone, my name is Sable Albanese, and in today's video I will be getting ready for work, and you'll see me do my simple Valentine's Day makeup in Updo. So this is literally just the beginning of my routine. I put in my contacts, and then I'll be using the birthday gift moisturizer I got from Sephora. I think it's like Jack something. I'm going to leave the products all in order that I use in the description box below. After that, I used a primer, the Hourglass, on my cheeks and nose. And I primed my lid with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I used the new Maybelline product for my brows. After that, I'm using the Tarte concealer, and this is kind of a no foundation look. It's just concealer under my eyes and a little bit of powder all over to set everything. And then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette on my eyes. I haven't really used this as much since I got it, so lately my goal is to start using it. And I'm literally using only 3 colors from that palette, actually 4 colors. And again, I'll list all my products down below in the description box. I tried to seriously keep this very simple, quick, and easy. I then tightlined my eyes with, again, the Maybelline Skinny Precise Pencil. I believe that's the name of it. That's actually my favorite eyeliner. It's a great dupe for the Hourglass eyeliner. And after I tightline my eyes, then I go in and I actually use, there it is. And then actually after that I go in and use the Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, and that just gives you a little bit more definition and boldness when you do the tight line and do basically a wedge eyeliner. I don't like on myself every day so much. I just keep it pretty simple. And sometimes I just tightline with my glasses on and I don't even do the wing liner. But anyway, I'm going in and again I'm trying out this new Total Temptation Maybelline product line, and I'm still doubling up on my lashes with the mascara, and the second one was from Rimmel, I believe. And after that I just used a little bit of the NARS Sable highlighter palette, and then I placed just a quick little contour, and I'm using the Super Stay liquid lip from Maybelline. I'm obsessed slightly with this formula. I think it's one of the best that's ever come out. So I'll soon be doing a video on my favorite liquid lips and the different formulas. And I just added a little bit of the NARS Sable onto my Cupid's bow. So after that, I'm using the Chi Enviro oil. It's the quickest thing I found next to me. So this is definitely not a tutorial. This is just kind of a get ready with me as I was preparing for work. So if you would like to see a slowed down version and maybe detailed step by step, please give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, I just created basically a little loop-de-loop with the ponytails. I created 2 mini ones, and that was it. And created a low bun. Thanks for watching, and again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Happy Valentine's Day!